Hello guys, good evening to everyone. Dear friends, again welcoming you into a super excited topic. And today in this topic I will be sharing you why people tend to criticize everything, whatever work you do in your life. Right. Suppose let me share you with some examples, right? One fellow in my village, right? He has got into certain assignment, got into certain project, right? He's doing some of the social work, right? Constructing buildings for the society, like community buildings, like right, clubs and so things, right? So a number of project he has been constructing. And what is happening, people these days now talking of that, what is the use of doing those things, right? He should, instead of going for constructing certain other things like education buildings, so community, some other right, that will be like playground or some other thing, right? So what happened actually is, why people comment, right? The main reason is that people tend to comment on the topic, on the particular thing, if you do not match their expectations, right? So what happened, you cannot match the expectation of all sort of group. In a community there will be youngsters will talk about the basic essentialities like healthcare or education and so thing. There will be middle-aged groups. Those people are supposed to spend their time, right, in some social work, in some merrymaking, right, in community building like this. So many people are in this group. Age-old people will talk about the religious thing, right, Prahari ho, and some other thing, like if it is Christian community or Muslim community, some other things will be there. They will talk about that thing, right? So in a particular single project, we cannot match up the expectations of all sort of group. Another thing, people also talk about, right, some successful people, right? So what happened when they talk about a successful people or a person, if that person is living a very simple life, then they will start commenting why that person is leading such a miserable life. He has huge amount of money, he has a lot of money, lot of things to do in his life. He can lead his life in flaws and in luxury and all that thing. So why he leading a very miserable and poor life? So this is what most of the people talk in the society, right? And if that same successful person is leading a very luxurious life, right, running a bullet, going on several tours, right, then they will say that this person is very West fellow. He had never seen this kind of life in his before, right? He had never seen this kind of condition in his earlier life. Therefore, he just wasting his money like this. So what happened? We cannot change the perspective of people. In everything there will be criticisms. In everything you will get the weaknesses and strength, pros and cons, in every matter, in every issue. So we cannot match the expectations in every area, right? And few more things is there. Suppose I'm making this video, right, and I am here speaking in English, okay, right? Are you getting my point? I'm speaking in English and I am talking about a particular thing in order to just convey my ideas in the particular thing, right? And if my message is communicating to you properly, then there will be certain group of people will be there. Why he is doing this robbing? Why he is robbing his hand? He is not confident about his English. He is making a certain mistakes there. So this kind of mentality would be there. So this thing we cannot change. Okay, if there will be everything right in my video, suppose my body language is okay, right, my speaking of the language speaking is okay, then certain people will be there, oh, he is making mistakes in the grammar, right? So in everything we'll find certain comments and we cannot escape from the criticisms. So guys, so this is what I was sharing, these stories, and many stories are there where you can find such kind of criticism. There you will find a number of groups will be there who would tend to criticize everything. Okay, so everything has its own perspectives. So this is my perspective on this thing. So what is your perspective? Why do people criticize? Besides all this, I also get to see these days a number of posts right on the social media where I'm witnessing that people are getting a lot of publicity and popularity by doing certain social activities, right? People these days have come off, right, to do social activity, right? That's so much good also. And to that activities, some people reactions are that why these people are doing all these things only to get public stone and public all that activity. So I must let them know, that I must let the criticizer, right, that why don't you do yourself? Why don't you do yourself? You guys please do and upload those things on your personal post. That will be good for you. People will also happy about you, right? They will also lauded with praise for you. So this is your perspective, why you are so much reacting on that thing, right? So you guys should do good things, right? No, I do agree that in certain areas where we need to be careful that which photos are to be uploaded. That's a separate scene and separate story. Suppose you are approaching very poor people and you are showing their images on the right, the public post, then that is a separate story. We need to be very careful while uploading their photo. That different thing, right? We must have to be careful about all that. When you are right letting their weaknesses and miseries into public, that is a different thing. But if you are right have come forward and doing the same thing in order to motivate other group of people, right, of the society, right, if you do some good work and letting it know to the other people, then there is possibility that a lot of people will get inspired out of you, right, and they will also come forward and join with you. So these are certain things I wanted to tell you, and how in every area, in every aspect we get criticism, right? So this is what I wanted to share the stories. And if you like my context, right, whatever I told to you, then please share your perspective. Why do people criticize, right? Is it a habit, right? So please share your perspective, and if you like my post, please share, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned with me. Thank you very much. Bye for now.